Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel and welcome to Makeup Monday. Today's video is going to be a very simple look. Simple. I know this looks a little extra, but trust me, it is the easiest look you will ever create in your life. Anybody can create this look, whether you are just beginning, if you are in the middle, and if you are a pro, then girl, this is going to be a piece of cake for you. So today I decided to play around with, again, the Profusion palettes. If you guys remember, a few weeks ago I did a full face of $5 and under, and I used both of these palettes, and you guys seem to love it when I use Profusion. I love it too because, hey, I am saving so much money. These palettes are only $5 a piece, you guys. Crazy pigmented and very affordable. So today I am going to be using the Neon palette, and we are only using one shadow. I also use the Profusion Topaz Gems glitter palette, which is this one. You guys saw this on a video. I wasn't able to use it, and today we are able to create this beautiful tangerine look. I feel like a creamsicle in this look with the matching shirt, the lips, and the eyes. This is just a summer vibe. So I hope you guys are excited for this video, and I hope you guys love this $5 makeup look. And if you guys want to learn how to recreate it or just how to get this look, make sure you keep on watching. Give this video a thumbs up for more affordable looks, and let's go ahead and get started. I am so sorry, you guys. So I was just filming and I just realized that my card stopped working on me. I don't know how much I filmed, so I'm just going to go over it with you again. We are using the Neon palette. This is a 10 shade palette by Profusion. This is $5 at Walmart. And I'm going to take the shade Gnarly, which is that neon orange. I do have my eye base already set. Well, not set, but I just applied it. This is the J-Cat Beauty Staysurance Concealer. This is a thick, full coverage concealer in the shade Banana. When I work with bright and colorful eyeshadows, I personally like to go in with a lighter concealer because it's really going to make those eyeshadows pop. I was getting tons of questions when I did this tutorial, which I will have linked up here. I did a full face of $5 and under, which you guys seem to love, so I will definitely keep them coming for you guys, just switching it up with different brands. But you guys were asking me how I made these eyeshadows work, and honestly the best advice I can give you is, one, make sure you use a concealer that is going to be a little bit more tacky and use it wet, and apply your eyeshadows wet on a wet base, because that is the best way to really get them to stick. I'm going to go back into Gnarly because we are just using one eyeshadow, and I'm going to take it on this Weekend Vibes number 5 brush by BH Cosmetics, which I also did a review on this new collection. I will have it linked up here, and I am going to pack that into the crease. We're just going to use that to blend. I'm going to use my Morphe M505, and I don't have anything on the brush. I am just using this to further diffuse the eyeshadow onto the crease, just to create a soft effect. This is going to be such a gorgeous look, but it's going to be so simple. I love anything orange. You guys know that. Oh my gosh, I love this eyeshadow. Okay, I'm going to take this Morphe, what is this? This is actually a Brow Baby underbrow thing, but I'm just going to use it in the waterline. I'm going to go back with the shade Gnarly, and I'm going to go with a packer brush, something that is nice and dense. And I'm going to pack that into the lower lash line. I'm also going to use a Profusion little shade glitter palette. This is the Topaz Gems palette, which looks like this. I haven't had a chance to really play around with this palette, and I was like, you know what, today is the day. So we're going to take the middle shade, which is this one right here. I might mix this one as well, I'm not sure. But I'm going to take a small little brush. But before I do that, I am going to take a little glitter glue. This is the J-Cat's glitter glue. This is honestly one of the best glitter glues I've ever tried. But if you can't access this glue, the NYX glitter glue is also really good. Really glue. That's what I get for saying glue so many times. I'm going to pack that into the inner corner of the eye, like right in the tear duct area. And I'm going to go with the third shade in the Gem palette. Oh my god, you guys, I am running out of breath so much. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you. Oh my god, this is such a stunning glitter. So I am going to go in with a eyeliner, and I am going to go in with a rather thick liner. I just feel like one eyeshadow looks deserve the attention. And when you add dramatic lashes and a thick liner, it just really makes it pop. So I'm going to use this Pixie eyeliner just really quick. For lashes, I am going to use my own lashes. These are my collab with Lash Kitty, and I am going to use the style Glam On. So I tried a new lipstick, you guys. Let me know if you feel this like orangey vibe. So I used the L.A Girl, I think Tangerine lip liner. And then I went in with my NYX Shout Loud lipstick in the shade Silk, which is a really pretty peachy color. And then for my lip gloss, I use the Maybelline Tan Line Gloss, which is... it's a lot lighter in person than what it looks on camera, and this one is so beautiful because it just really goes with like any lipstick you wear. To finish off this look, I'm just going to set it with my little Pop Beauty setting spray. And this is the final look, you guys. What do you think of this one eyeshadow look with bold lashes, bold liner, and a matching lip? I really like this lipstick. Let me know in the comment section down below if you would rock this. And also, as always, if you guys recreate any of my looks, please tag me on my Instagram. I have been a little off my Instagram. I just... there's so much craziness going on in the world, you guys, that I'm trying to do what I can and put my heart and mind in other places and not so much in like beauty and stuff. I still obviously have to film for you guys and upload, but I've just been taking time to really just process things, learn, educate myself and things like that. So sorry if I have been a little bit MIA, but still, if you guys tag me, I will be sure to check it out. So thank you guys so much for being here. Remember, be safe, take care of yourself. I love you, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.